Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drift a Jeep Wrangler. Start in a safe, open space and learn weight transfer techniques right away. Keep steering smooth and use gentle throttle to break rear traction deliberately. Focus on balance between clutch, handbrake, and throttle to sustain a drift without spinning. Stay calm, repeat slow drills, and build confidence before attempting higher speed maneuvers. In this video, I will show how to drift a Jeep Wrangler. Try a clutch kick to break traction on loose surfaces or a short handbrake pull at low speeds. Immediately counter-steer and apply steady throttle to hold the slide, avoiding abrupt inputs. Practice transitions between left and right using small steering corrections, and always look where you want the Jeep to go to guide the car smoothly through each arc. In this video, I will show how to drift a Jeep Wrangler. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after messy practice sessions. It's a small touch that makes long days at the track more pleasant. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to drift a Jeep Wrangler. Confirm safety gear, tire condition, and a clear practice area before attempting any slides. Use a spotter to watch for hazards and keep communications clear between runs. Adjust tire pressures slightly to tune slip characteristics, and ensure the Jeep is mechanically sound to avoid failures during a drift. Prioritize safety and legal locations for training.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.